Fishy friends, welcome to Japan. I'm here at the Shiogama fish market and today we're going to cook with the local sustainable cod tuna. We're going to make a seared skipjack tuna with a soy mayonnaise. So I'm going to make this recipe today for 2 persons and we start off with the sauce. So step number 1, mayonnaise. I'm using like 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then a half teaspoon of soy sauce and then the juice of a quarter lime. And I give it a stir. Wow, nice, creamy, bit of saltiness of the soy sauce and the acidity of the lime. So sauce is ready. So today's hero is tuna. Look at this beautiful color. This is skipjack tuna, which has been caught here, the deep sea waters around Japan. Very important, this is sustainably caught by pole and line, and it's certified by the Marine Stewardship Council, the MSC, which approves you that you buy the fish from a sustainable source. Okay, so I have just a tiny bit of oil, not too much. So we coat the fish with just a bit of oil. I'm using sunflower oil today. So I toss the black and the white sesame seeds and now I coat the fish. So I've got a dry frying pan. I turn on the heat, high heat, and very important, I've got some ice water right here. So what are we going to do? We're going to sear the tuna in this dry frying pan, 15 seconds each side. So 4 sides, 15 seconds, and then immediately we cool it down in ice water. Okay, so we start with the first loin and have it in the pan 15 seconds, yeah? We turn it around. Each side 15 seconds. So actually we sear it around, so at the outer side the sesame seeds will just be crispy and caramelized, but inside you will have this red color. Okay, so what I do right now, I take it off, I have it in a plastic bag and I pull it down in ice cold water. Why? Because I want to avoid that the fish will cook further. Okay, so now it's time to cut the tuna. I'm going to cut it into pieces of around 1 centimeter, maybe 1.5. Okay guys, it's time to plate up some nice shiso leaves here on my wooden board to decorate. And I've got the beautiful pieces of tuna. So nicely. Okay, then we have a bit of the sauce, the creamy sauce, the soy, the mayonnaise and the lime on top of it. Okay, then I've got some beautiful extra ingredients to decorate the plate. I have some daikon, we have some shiso pepper, we have some chrysanthemum. They give a nice fresh flavor to it. It's typical Japanese to serve it. Then the Japanese pepper mix, togarashi, really nice. Not too much, just to sprinkle over. Then some scallions, spring onion. There we go. So the dish is ready to be served. It's time for a taste. So we have the tuna with sesame seeds and the soy sauce. This is really delicious, this deep flavor of the fresh tuna together with this nutty flavor of the sesame seeds. Then we have the creaminess of the sauce. It's really, really nice. It's great as a snack, as a starter, as finger food. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them in the box down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and say bye-bye. See you soon on another Fishy Friday.